Tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I am going to give it some different color. This will be okay. Go to shape, rounded rectangle and drag it vertically. Okay. I'm going to fix it. It's okay. Okay. Yes, again, go to insert, go to a rounded rectangle again and drag it here at the center of the first shape. Align center and little bit, I think, up will go it. Select both fragments. I'm going to give it some different color. Go to shape fill, give this one shape outline, make it no outline. Select this one shape outline, white outline, and I'm going to make increase its width to 3. Shape fill, no fill. Okay. I'm going to give it some shadow effects. This will be okay. Transparency will be 80. And size will be 102. Blur, I think 6 is okay. I'm going to zoom it, that how it looks like. Select this one, the shape outline, and make it little bit smaller. Yes, it's okay. Go to insert, take an all shape and holding shift alt and drag it, and I'm going to select this one, control shift C and control shift V to transfer the effect of this shape to the all shape. I'm going to give it some gradient, and gray gradient will be okay. Yes, shape outline, white outline, and place it here at this corner, near this corner, little bit to the center, I think so. Okay, I'm going to make it down little bit. Yes. Oh, text 1, I'm going to make its fonts Roboto, I think so. Roboto will, okay. Oh, sorry, I have not this font. I'm going to give it Oswald. Yes, it's okay. Place it here at the center of the whole shape. I'm going to increase its size and align perfect at the center of the whole shape. Okay, I have some text that I have typed earlier to save the time. Control C and Control V. So place it here. and select all. I'm going to make it at the center of the slide and Control D to duplicate it. Okay, Control D to duplicate it and Control D to duplicate it. You can get size shapes according to your requirements. You can get 5 shapes, 6 shape by pressing Control D. I'm going to give it some different color according to the shape. I am going to give the color to the text analysis. This is a business infographic, so I'm putting these points that needs in a business analysis, and this will go to, I think so, growth. Okay, yes, place it here at the center. I'm going to give it some another point, investment. Yes, place it here at the center, and the final one is benefits. I think so, benefits. Give it a different one color, and I think the color will be changed to the shape according to the text. You can give your desired colors. Yes, I'm going to change these places. The growth will come after the investment. Investment is on number 2. I'm going to make the color it's to a different one, and the text color will be also changed according to the shape. I'm going to make its color to a different one color. I think green will be okay. The shape will also be changed according to the text, and is going to green. I'm going to change these number 1 2 3 4. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the latest design. I'm going to bring some icons. I need icons for a business. You can find icon according to your text by typing the text in the search icon tab, and you can find any type of icon in this icon tab. Just type in the search tab at this left side, and I'm picking my icon from here. I need 4 icons. Investment icon, this is go to, yes, this one is okay, and I'm going to bring it to the slide by holding Alt Shift and make its size smaller, give it a white one color, and now I am placing these icon according to the text. Yes, benefit, growth, investment, and analysis. I'm going to bring some text to the slide. that this is will be the heading text, and the heading text will goes upper and at the center of the slide. You can also put at the end of the slide some text. Likewise I do. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it. Thank you.